What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got Team Corally Sketer 6S. I finally upgraded it to 6S, but also added some extra things to it to make it more stable. And on the outside, let's see what we got. I did the front A-arms, the top and the bottom. I changed the dog bones, and I changed the pivot ball, whatever you call this part. Now you have an adjustable turnbuckle, but these arms right here, they belong to the Dimentor or the Chronos. Now in the rear, it's the same deal. Changed the A-arm, changed the rear drive shaft. I left the cup the same, the brass cup the same in the back. Adjustable buckles right here to control your toe in, toe out. Well, you see I add the wheelie bar already. That's been there. It's a little tight. I have to fix that. This has no roll to it. Also, I got 185 amp ESC. Also got 2050 kV motor, the Kuron. Also a Team Corally stock system, but for 6S. You guys know I did the wing, added the wing, and added the wheelie bar. So basically I did the arms and the power system. Only thing remains the same is the servo. This is a very good, strong servo, so I'm not going to replace that anytime soon. I have problems turning sometimes, but I could deal with it. As long as you got the servo saver, I can adjust the servo saver, so that eliminates that problem. Have any tires on there? I'm debating on what tires should I run on here. Should I run the factory tires, or should I put the Dimentor tires on there? That's what it looks like with the stock tires on there. I actually had a name for this because I was going to use the Dimentor body, and since I got so many Dimentor parts, I was going to call it the Demented Sketer. That's what it would look like with the Dimentor body. Here it goes with the Sketer body. And hands down, the Dimentor body looked so much better. The body I did have on there, I'll give that a shot, but it's just too small now. Let's check that out. And this is what it looks like with the body that I had on there. Doesn't look bad. I think I'll stick to that body. I gave it a test run, and the grip and the tire came off because it unscrewed. I'm gonna have to figure out something to do about that. People put Loctite on their tires. I'm not putting Loctite on my tires. Just need that screw to have grip to it. Just put some little cuts in. I'm gonna Dremel, make it a little rougher so it'll grab better, so it don't come off again. But this does, I use a grinder and a saw part of the grinder, and I kind of make little indents all around the tire. So when you put the tire on, instead of it sliding, it's gripping now a little better, so it don't slide as easy. Shouldn't come off at all, but that's really how this one is. Got little grooves in it so to catch on. Let's see if it'll focus. Got little grooves so it can catch on. So what I did this, try to do straight up and down so the grooves will catch it. These grooves, you know, go counterclockwise. You know how they got them on the slant, but that's so it don't unloosen easy. But I'm trying my little technique to see if it works. That'll prevent you from buying other, lugs for different cars they're smooth. See, it's smooth like that, it's gonna slide off, especially if you got power behind it. It's gonna slide right off. Or if you don't have that much power, eventually it's gonna unscrew. Yeah, I got all the tires on there. This thing look like it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a mini stunt truck. 1/10 scale, Demented Sketer. All finished. Put the tires on. Let's see how it look when it's level to the ground. This is how it is when it's level. can see that front is wider. But see, I know how to solve that right now. See, the front sit out a smidge or more because I'm using the old rear. I'm gonna have to change that out. Shouldn't take this but a minute. Change that rear out. Then it should be all set. Yeah, I'm running on 4S. Just down awfully low. Got more punch to it. But I had to put stuff the way it's really not supposed to be put. I want to make sure it can handle it. That front is ballooning a lot. I think I did pretty good. I think she can handle 6S. I fixed the lugs on the tire also. A little delayed because the tire lugs didn't have any grip on them, and I got grip on it now. Thing sit real low. If you can see that, that's it real low. I might make this a street car, but I don't know yet. Nice and straight. Definitely straight. What I'm gonna do, this is just a test drive, so I'm not gonna do a speed test. I see some things I gotta take care of anyway, because I was ballooning so much in the front. Only a test. As always, tell me what y'all think about this, my creation. Because the parts I got on here is Dimentor parts. You got the Dimentor arms, drive shaft, front and rear, and the Dimentor tires, and actually the Dimentor wing. The Willy bar comes from, I don't know, off one of my cars. I had one on one of my cars, and I decided to put it on here because I broke the Dimentor's Willy bar. It seems like it's handling pretty good. The next one I'm gonna do on this is gonna be 6S. There's already 6S setup in it. It's just, this is a test run. It don't want to Willy like it. Yeah, that front end stays down, so this would be a good street car. As always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.